Hi friends.
Hey friends.
Today we have a spring 2022 collector bundle. It includes 7 booster packs, 3 promo cards, and more. Let's see what's inside. Whoa.
Whoa.
I've actually never seen like a white coin before.
That is cool.
Whoa.
I like that.
That is cool. It's a white one.
That is different.
That's crazy. Lots of sparkles going on there. This is a different way of holding their promos too. It's a different background, holographic too. There's no swirls, no nothing in them. It's just like a regular hollow almost. I got Oshawott. Whoa. Packs come like that. Okay. Good. 3 Vivid Voltage. Oh, and a promo. Collector chest promo. Oh. Brilliant Stars packs. Evolving Skies from Fusion Strike. Cool. Okay, that's nothing. And nothing. Usually get stickers. Here's some stickers. And then we also get the book, which this one's different. Oh, and there's texture on it.
It's like a little journal kind of thing.
That's cool. More stickers. That's cool. That's it for that inside. Alright. Vivid Voltage. These packs really don't stick together. There's 7, so we're going to keep 1 for one to share. Whoever wins. I don't have no coins. So.
Oh, okay, so.
Golden Skies for the winner?
Sure.
Alright.
I know I want a Brilliant Stars because then they make you a thing.
Vivid Voltages.
You like the Vivids?
Yeah.
Okay. Vivid against?
Yeah, and then it's whether or not you want Fusion Strike or Vivid.
You choose the next one.
I'll Vivid then. I'll just grab
Vivid.
Vivid Voltage against the other packs. You can go first.
Alright. I'll do Fusion Strike first. Trubbish, Totodile, Phanto, Snorlax, Snom, Shinx, Centisquirch, and Energy. Dancer, Pingoro, that's a cool card. Locked.
I haven't seen that Pangoro yet. Not sure. Ooh, hopefully we get some MP up and then Brilliant Stars.
I hope so.
Right. Energy. And Energy. Here's Metals, Stunfisk, Cottony, the Galarian Meowth, ooh, I hope so, Wooper, Kinkata, Picky Peck, the Loudred Reverse, and a holographic rare Zorulidon. Very cool.
your house mouse. Shine in there. Alright. Carabliss. Abusel. Halucha. Haluka. A throat. First Kinder.
Is that the one that he kept pulling out every pack that one day? The Kindler?
I think
at
so.
the end? Oh, okay.
Goku V.
Legendary.
Take it. I just love the energies on this.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Let's say switch to the energies up a little bit more. They need to switch up that reverse hollow pattern.
Yeah.
Two energies in a row again. Swallow, League Staff, Tail Owl, two birds, Whooper, and I had that my last pack, Picky Peck, another bird, Rockruff, the reverse, and an Orbeetle V. Very cool. Like matching you almost 1-to-1 here.
Alright. Now you're winning here.
You have a holographic for my first one. All you need is a Mimikyu. I don't know how many packs you're gonna open before you get your Mimikyu.
I am like so unlucky with trying to get stuff I want. I just gotta stop trying, I guess.
Open for the fun of it.
Yeah.
Love that card.
A Mothim. And a Mothim.
Am I seeing double?
Man, I want a refund on that one. Roll. Grimplop.
Alright, Vivid Voltage. See if I can get a amazing rare out of this one. I tried covering up TCGO. Stuff 2 energies again, but I was not successful in covering that up. So, Oshawott, Pineco. Oh, I got it! The amazing rare Jirachi. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And it explodes. Very cool. Awesome. I love those cards. Let's see what we can pull out of this Evolving Skies. The rest of these packs actually were good to us. Usually when you get packs, boxes with not very many of the same type of set, you don't pull very well. Well, to my experience anyways. So let's see what else we can get here. Red Wobbuffet. I see something in the back there. I swear.
What's going on there?
I want to see something. What's his tail?
Yeah.
Hoppip, Swablu, Zeraora, Drampa.
That's cool. I love that card.
That's a lot like the Magmar. That's a lot like the Magmar. And the last card is a Rayquaza VMAX. Very cool. All right. I already pulled the other Rayquaza, the Chase one. So that is so cool. Add this one to the collection. That looks really good on the camera. Wow. Awesome. Usually it's hard because it's like, here, check this card out. It's really nice. And can't see anything. But with this angle, it's nice. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like them polls, like this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.